This is VIVO X90 Pro, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can set up and use the nearby share feature on this device. So first, I recommend that you enable Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and mobile data. Then amongst the control panel shortcuts, find the icon that is responsible for the nearby share. Here it is in my case. Touch and hold edit style. Then in order to activate the nearby share, toggle on this switch. And from now you can rename the device if you want to. Turn on and turn off the device visibility, as well as restrict its visibility to only your devices, only your contacts, or not restricted at all. And then you can change the data mode that will be utilized for the file transfer. Now let's test this feature out and see how well it performs. So I have another phone on me currently, so I'll try sending some photo from this phone to my VIVO real quick. First of all, let me find the Photos app. So yeah, let's say I'll send this picture. So here is my VIVO. So I'll send the pairing request, or well, rather the file transfer request, then accept it at the receiver's end, wait for the file to be sent and received. Which for some mysterious reason takes way more time than it should. Well, I guess we have all the time in the world, so let's wait. Alrighty, so the transfer was finally finished, and here is the photo. So that would be it for today, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.